Okay, guys, now we tell you how to make good PowerPoint or presentation. Now, we start by opening standard with Microsoft PowerPoint. You can add a new, and this is selecting this exists in Office. You can add one, for example, this one. But this only give you a background, just a background. You can type in here, but if you want to add more, you can duplicate the slide just like that. Nothing special in here, in the standard template in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see. Now I will tell you how to make the cool presentation. Now you open the Chrome and search. In the Chrome you can find in Google free PowerPoint template design. Remember, free PowerPoint template design. And after you search, you found this. You click in one above and choose this sample, this one. Yes, you can see this select. Yes, it's many choice in here. You can choose one. This is any category and you can check one, and this just for free. This is a category, and in the abstract business you can choose. You can view and by keyword and popular. This is sample. This is one. Is any, you can see it's 48 slide in here inside put, and it's a screenshot inside. Set 1 to 12, 13 to 24. So many template and design you can choose and you can use. Yes, this is an icon, you can use it and when you make presentation. So you download right here. Then first and select. Set the download. Waiting for download until finish. When finish, you can open. Here we are. So cool, right? You can enable editing first to make you can edit. Yeah. Now you can see so many pages with complete design and quite icon, even graphic. You can choose or edit or modification. Select you want. Okay, and the last bottom you see the icon that you can use in next time. Okay, we try to edit one first slide cover. We write the head like this, but don't forget, when you continue this slide, just erase and delete at the top point, the icon, the right top, you know, alppt.com, so the other can. Now we start. Open the second slide. You can choose it for self profile or my profile or GV, curriculum vitae. Okay, and then intrude slide, you can choose like maybe you can choose to content or something else. And next, you many slide that was complete, you can choose and you can delete by, you can customize by your own. So easy, right? This sample I use icon for I copy and I put when I want to be, and right here maybe, yes, and you can design or maximize or minimize the icon, and you choose the color. So if after you whatever you want, you can choose, you can edit whatever you think. So that's it, all that I can share. Maybe you hope you can use it and you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. I'm sorry to my bad English. Thank you.